हेलो लिटिल लर्नर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूं नुपुर और आप देख रहे हैं लर्न विद नुपुर, जहां लर्निंग होती है इजी, फन और फुल ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास। बच्चों, लुक एट दिस इमेज। वेयर इज टेडी? कैन यू हेल्प मी फाइंड हिम? वेयर इज टेडी? इज टेडी ऑन द टेबल? नो. Is Teddy under the table? Yes. So today we are going to learn some magic words that tells us where someone or something is. These magic words are called prepositions. So bachcho, our today's topic is prepositions. Now look carefully. The ball is in the box. The ball is on the box. And the last is the ball is under the box. See bachcho, the ball didn't change, only its place changed. So the words in, on, under tells us the position of the ball. And these special words are called prepositions. The words in, on, under tells us the position of the ball. These special words are called prepositions. So, bachcho, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that tells us the position or place of a person, animal or thing. It answers questions like where. Sometimes it can also tell when. Today's lesson is all about place prepositions, bachcho. Now I am going to show you some examples so that you are able to understand the prepositions properly. Bachcho, look at the first image. What can you see? Yes, an apple and a basket. Is the apple outside the basket? No. Is it on the basket? No. The apple is inside the basket. Yes, when something is inside in something else, we use the word in. Everybody say with me. The apple is in the basket. Again, in the basket. Now look at the second image. What is this, bachcho? Yes, a book. And where is the book? It is under the table. No, it is sitting on the top of the table. So we say the book is on the table. When something touches the top of another thing, we use on. Everybody, on the table. Oh, now look at the cute cat. Can you see the chair? Where is the cat? Is it on the chair? No, the cat is below the chair. We say the cat is under the chair. So if something is below in something else, we use the word under. Say it loudly. Under the chair. Now, can you see the little boy? Can you see all of him? No. Why? Because the tree is hiding him. The boy is at the back of the tree. So we say the boy is behind the tree. When something is at the back of another thing, we use behind. Let's all say behind the tree. Now, look at the next image. Who is standing here? Yes, a girl. Is she behind the school? No, she is standing before the school. We say the girl is in front of the school. So, when something is before another thing, we use in front of. Everybody repeat, in front of the school. Now look at the next image. What do you see? A rabbit and 2 carrots. Where is the rabbit, bachcho? Is it near only 1 carrot? No, it is in the middle. Yes, we say the rabbit is between the 2 carrots. Everybody say between the 2 carrots. Now bachcho, look at the last image. A boy and a dog. Are they far away? No. Are they side by side? Yes, we say the dog is next to the boy. When two things are beside each other, we use next to. Everybody say next to the boy. Let's remember all the prepositions together, bachcho. In, on, under, behind, in front of, between, next to. Now, can you say them without looking? Okay. Now, bachcho, let's play a game. Look around your room and can you find something on the table, something under the bed, and something in your school bag? Tell me loudly. I know you can do it. I am waiting, bachcho, and you can also write it in the comment section. अब बारी है एक फन गेम खेलने की जिसे हम बोलेंगे गेस द प्रीपोजिशन. Look at the picture number 1. Where is the bird? 3, 2, 1. Can you tell me now? Yes, the bird is on the tree. Give yourself a big clap. Now, look at the picture number 2. Where is the puppy? Think carefully. 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. The puppy is under the chair. Let's go to picture number 3. Where is the ball, bachcho? Can you see it? Great job. The ball is under the table. Now, picture number 4. Where is the cat? Ready? 3, 2, 1. The cat is in the box. Fantastic. Last one. Picture number 5. Where is the teddy bear? Look carefully, bachcho. I am counting 3, 2, 1. Awesome. The teddy bear is in front of the sofa. Very good. You did an amazing job. Did you get all 5 answers right? Write your score in the comment section. I will definitely see. Now it's time for our magic formula. Do you want to learn a magic trick? Yes. Chalo, let's begin then. Meet the first friend. Who is this? Yes, it's a cat. Cat is our first friend. And where is the cat? Can you see the cat? Where is it? Is it on the table? No. Is it under the table? Yes. The magic word is under. And now tell me, under what? Yes, under the table. Now let's put them together. Now watch the magic. We have cat, under, and table. So when we join these 3 together, we get a beautiful sentence. The cat is under the table. Can everyone say it with me? The cat is under the table. Look at the second example. What is this? A book. Where is the book? It's on the desk. So we have book plus on plus desk. Together they become the book is on the desk. Wonderful. Easy trick to remember. A noun tells us who or what. A preposition tells us where. Another noun tells us the place. When we put them together, noun plus preposition plus noun is equals to a complete sentence. Let's try one together. Dog, under, and chair. Can you make the sentence? Yes, the dog is under the chair. Very good. Now you know the magic formula. Whenever you want to tell where something is, just remember noun plus preposition plus noun is equals to a complete formula. Very good. Now it's quiz time, bachcho. Let's see if you are a preposition champion or not. Question 1. The ball is dash the box. Options are in or under. What will be the correct answer? 3, 2, and 1. Yes, the ball is in the box. The correct answer is in. Question 2. The cat is dash the chair. Wonderful. The cat is under the chair. Very nice. Next is the book is dash the table. So what will be the answer? The book is on the table. Excellent. So bachcho, today we learned in, on, under, behind, in front of, between, and next to. Now look around your house and make 5 sentences using these prepositions. Write one sentence in the comments. आई होप बच्चों आज की क्लास आप सबको बहुत पसंद आई होगी एंड इफ यू एंजॉय टुडेज क्लास प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू लर्न विद नुपुर एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep smiling, keep learning, and remember, learning is fun when we learn together. Bye bye everyone. See you in the next class in which we will learn about conjunctions. So be ready बच्चों.